Spelling is a set of conventions that regulate the way of using Grapem's writing system to represent a language in its written form. In other words, spelling is the rendering of speech sound phoneme into writing Grapem. Spelling originated as transitions of the sound of spoken language according to the alphabetic principle. They remain legally reflexive of the sound, although polyphonemic spelling is an ideal that most language orthographists only approximate, some more costly than others. This is true for various reasons, including that pronunciation changes over time in a language, yet spelling as visual norms may resist change. Typing is a process in which text or numbers are entered on a device such as a typewriter, computer, or calculator by pressing keys on a keyboard. Typing is different from entering other data such as a computer mouse, electronic pen, and entering text through voice recognition. Here are some guidelines for writing for broadcast and beyond. 6 types for writing broadcast stories. 1. Focus your story by summarizing in their words. 2. Tell complex stories through strong characters. 3. Use objective, copy, and subjective sound. Your text should contain objective words and facts. 4. Use active verbs, not passive ones. 5. Give viewers a sense of time passing. 6. Let's tell the viewer so what. Story tell the viewer what. Text tell the viewer what's next.
How to separation word. The first one is in use copy, underline word that require a special emphasis. Example, the president plan now call for 4 years or service, not 3. Do not use this technique very often, save it for important clarification. 2. Use short, simple, conventional sentence. This help others, like anchor, read your writing smoothly while under stress. Do not run and on and on. Write the way we talk, simply. 3. Use direct quotes. The exact word as a person speak, very strongly. Think it through and decide how unique or special or important the exact wording is. In most cases, just preheat the common. 4. For strong, unique, or out of the ordinary comment, indicate a direct quote as follows. President Clinton say, quote, "The terrorists have one day to complete or else," end quote. 5. The first and the last name of the people in the news story, the first time they are mentioned. Therefore, in that story, use the last name to refer to that person or some other creative reference. Example, Michael Jordan the first time, the 6th NBA champion the second time, Jordan the third time, the former Chicago Bull forward the fourth time, and back to Jordan. 6. The unfamiliar name or reference in lead. Look for and use familiar reference most listener or viewer would grasp immediately. Example, a commerce teacher, a Dallas businessman. Use that in the lead sentence. After the lead, that you can introduce the unfamiliar name or reference. 7. Title and description goes before the name. In broadcast copy, instead of Bob Rocker, associate the professor of journalism. In broadcast copy says journalism professor Bob Rocker.
Is the use of spacing, conventional sign, and certain typographical device as aids to understanding and correct reading of written text, whether read silently or loud. There are punctuation marks. First is brackets, full stop, exclamation mark, colon, semicolon, comma, question mark, apostrophe, quotation mark, brace, and dash.
For example, you can see the first news is the sentence say woman without her man is nothing. This means emphasizing the importance of a man to a woman. And then if you see the second news, you can find the sentence say without her man is nothing. This means emphasizing the importance of a woman to a man. It's very have different meaning because the punctuation.
Is pronunciation, which includes articulation, emphasis, and intonation. The clarity of pronunciation relates to the volume of the voice and the speed of reading. The volume of the newsreader's voice must be loud, not slow or like someone whispering. From the beginning to the end of the news, the reading speed should not be too fast or too slow either. Intonation includes setting the fast and slow pronunciation, the high and low of the sound, and breathing settings to keep the sound stable until the end of the reading. Intonation in news or reading out a news script has several functions, including the following. 1. Establish meaning. This function occurs between news sentence, interrogative sentence, and command sentence. 2. The graph becomes rhythmic in the sentence that it does not sound monotonous or boring. 3. General a curtain impression. To create a curtain impression such as sadness, joy, and so on. Thank you.